So I'm Brittany, and we're going to be talking about onions in chemistry. So what happens when you cut an onion is the lacrimatory factor synthase is released into the air when we cut an onion, breaking their skin, which you actually need to break the skin in order for the process to begin. The synthase enzyme converts the amino acid sulfoxides of the onion into sulfenic acid. The unstable sulfenic acid rearranges itself into propanethiol, S oxide, and irritating gas. That oxide gets into the air and comes in contact with our eyes, and then the lacrimal glands become irritated and produce tears. Here's just like a little picture of it. What is propanethiol S oxide? It's a member of a class of organosulfur compounds known as thiocarbonyl S oxides, formerly sulfines. Is a volatile liquid that acts as a lacrimatory agent, triggers tearing and stinging on contact with the eyes. A benefit of it is that it can kill bacteria and fungi, so it makes it an antibiotic. And like a fact is that onion juice was used to treat gunshot wounds in the war.
The sulfur in an onion can cause eye irritation, and that causes you to cry. Your eyes are trying to flush out the sulfur irritants. The sulfur is also antibacterial and responsible for the strong onion flavor and odor. So the more sulfur an onion has, the stronger the smell and taste will be. The sulfur can react within the human body and result in a lasting scent. So after a long period of time has passed, you may still smell onions, and that's because of the sulfur in an onion, the sulfur compounds are unstable, so they react with the heat, and the longer you cook them, they'll result in a different texture, flavor, and scent.
So how come sometimes this process does not occur? It depends on the different type of onions. So red, yellow, and white onions generate the harshest chemical reaction because they contain lots of sulfur compounds. Green onions are considered sweeter, so they produce less tears due to less sulfur compounds. And then there's remedies to reduce the irritation when cutting onions. How can you prevent this happening? Use a fresher onion. It's less likely to cause irritation. Chill the onions beforehand in a fridge, freezer, or ice bath for about 30 minutes. Cut them under cold water. Provide a distance between you and the onion. Use a fan which circulates the air and keeps the lacrimatory factor from getting in your eyes. Use a sharp knife and cut it quickly. If you cut off the root of an onion last, it helps because that's where most of the enzyme and molecules are concentrated. And then you can also wear goggles if you really don't want to cry. And then how to reduce the discomfort is don't touch your eyes. So wash your hands thoroughly after, rinse with cool, clean water. Place cool compress over your eyes like the cucumbers or like a cotton ball with some aloe gel on there. Use eye drops to flush them out or other eye sore remedies.
So the health benefits of eating onions, there's lots of nutrients. It also contains a flavonoid called quercetin. It's both an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Quercetin has been used in treatments for various health problems like cancer and cardiovascular issues. The onion skin has more flavonoids, so you want to peel the least amount of layers as possible to get the most nutrients. And you also lose more quercetin levels when you cook them, so you can eat them raw or reduce the cooking time to keep those benefits. And oh yeah, we have 2 short videos. And then one more video.
Very nice.
Okay, that's the end of our presentation.
Very good.